Good morning everyone. Welcome to today's EVS. Children, in the last class we have finished chapter number 4, that is about delicious food, isn't it? So in that chapter, what are the things we learned, children? We learned about the sources of food, isn't it? We learned about the sources of food, then we learned about raw food, and then we learned about cooked food. Then we learned about even animals and birds also need food, isn't it? All these things we studied in the previous class, that is under the chapter delicious food. As already I told you, food is one of the basic needs of our life, isn't it? So without food we can't live or survive. So every day we eat food, isn't it? So from where do we get that food, children? Whatever food items we eat every day, from where do we get all that food items? We get that food item from plants and animals. So plants and animals are the sources of food, isn't it, children? So we get food items from plants and animals. So that's why plants and animals are the sources of food. Sources means from which place we get food items. They are called sources. So we get food items from plants and animals. So plants and animals are the sources of food. So next, what are the food items we get from plants, children? So we get fruits, vegetables, pulses, green leaves, food grain, spices, nuts, oil, etc. Coffee, tea, isn't it, etc. from plants. So most of the food items, whatever we eat in our day-to-day life, we all get the things from the plants. Okay. Then the food items which we get from animals: milk, isn't it? Egg, meat, chicken, fish, and one of the food items which we get from an insect, that is honey from honeybee. So these are the sources, isn't it? Food items which we get from plants and animals. So that's why plants and animals are called the sources of food. Then we studied about which food items which can be eaten as a raw. So some vegetables which can be eaten as a raw, isn't it? So raw means hasiai. So we can eat few vegetables like carrot, beetroot, radish, isn't it? Tomato. So some of the people will eat even the onion also. So few vegetables can be eaten as a raw, and we eat fruits as a raw. So then cooked food items. So like food grains like rice, ragi, wheat, corn, millets, all the food items, food grains we should cook. We should cook and then we will eat. Even milk, isn't it? Milk, chicken, meat. So we need to cook these food items. And vegetables also, some vegetables like brinjal, lady's finger, drumstick, all these vegetables we use after cooking only. We can't eat these vegetables as a raw, isn't it? So all these things we studied in the previous class, and I already told you. So food is important for our to live, isn't it? So food is one of the basic needs of our life. All these things we studied under the previous chapter, that is about delicious food. So today, children, I am going to start a new lesson, that is Unit 5. Do we need food? So do we need food? So yes, do we need food, children? Yes, we need food. So nimge ahara beka? Yes, we need food. Namge ahara beku. Then why do we need food? Hagadre yake beku nimge? Daily nam yake uta martivi ahara beku? Why do we need food? So they are asking, do you need food or do we need food? So do we need food? Nimge ahara beka anta keltare. Yes, we need food, isn't it, children? Yes, we need food. Then why we need food? Hagadre yake beku nimge ahara? Navu yake dina ahara sevistive? So every day we eat food, isn't it? So then why we need food? Yake beku? Anybody can tell me, children, why we need food? Yes. We need food to live, isn't it? Yes, we need food. Yes, we need food, isn't it? then why we need food? We need food to live, isn't it? We need food to live. So if you want to survive or if you want to live, we need food. So that's why we eat food every day. So we can't live without food, isn't it? So only one time or 2 times or one day we can live without food. But more than 1 day, 2 days we can't live without food. We won't get food. What happens to them? We will be sick. We will die also. Because due to this hunger only, so many people are dying in our country. So that's why we need food to live. Then only for living, only to survive we need food. ಬರೀ ಬದುಕೋದಕ್ಕೆ ಅಥವಾ ಜೀವಿಸೋದಕ್ಕೆ ಮಾತ್ರ ಬೇಕಾ ಆಹಾರ? Then for what other purpose? So ಬೇರೆ ಯಾವ ಉದ್ದೇಶಕ್ಕೆ ನಮಗೆ ಆಹಾರ ಊಟ ಮಾಡಿ ಸೇವಿಸ್ತೀವಿ ನಾವು ತಿಂತೀವಿ ಊಟ. So we need food to first one live is okay. Then we need food to grow, isn't it? So we need food to grow, isn't it? We want to grow day by day to the growth of our body. Grow. We need food to the growth of our. We need food to the growth of our body. Isn't it, children? First, we need food to live and survive. Then, we need food for the growth of our body. So, when you are a baby, how you are looking? You are small. Every day, day by day, you are growing. For that growth of our body, we need food. Isn't it, children? Every day we need to grow. We will grow, isn't it? When you compare when you are a baby, how you look small. When you come to LKG, UKG, first and second grade, every day you are growing. For that growth of our body, we need food. Okay. Then, so third, we need food to get energy too. We need food to get energy, isn't it? We need energy. Why we need energy? We need energy to play, to walk, to run, isn't it? To do the work. Okay, next we need food to get energy to do work. Work like playing, isn't it? So if you want to play every day, you need energy. If you don't have energy, you can't play, you can't read, write, you can't run, you can't sit. So that's why we eat food to get energy to do work. Okay, children. So first we need food to live. Then we need food to the growth of our body. Then we need food to get energy to do work. Energy to do work. Then fourth one. Then for what other purpose we eat food, children? To become strong and healthy. Very good. We need food to become strong and healthy. Become strong and healthy. So if you want to stay healthy, if you want to become strong, we need food. We eat food, isn't it? So for these purpose, children, we need food. So if anybody asks you why you need food or why we need food, we means all of us need food, isn't it? So we need food to live. Then we need food to growth of our body. Then we need food to get energy to do. Why we need energy? So we need energy for why we need energy to do work. So if you want to play, if you want to run, if you want to read and write, so you need energy. From where do you get that energy? By food only, isn't it? So that's why we need food to get energy to do work. Then to become strong and healthy. So if you want to become strong, if you want to stay healthy always, if you want to keep yourself away from the diseases, then you need to have a food, isn't it? So that's why to become strong and healthy, we need food. Okay, children. So here one incident I will tell you. So what type of food we have to eat if you want to grow well, if you want to get energy from food, or if you want to become strong and healthy? What type of food we should eat? So we should eat healthy food always, isn't it? So we should eat healthy food. Okay. So I already told you, every day we eat food, isn't it? Every day we eat food. So why we eat food? So why we eat food means to live. Then we eat food. We need food to growth of our body. So for the growth of our body, every day we need to grow, isn't it? So we will grow, isn't it? For the growth of our body, we need food. If you won't eat food, children, how can you grow? Isn't it? How you will become tall, strong, healthy? Your body will not grow, isn't it? So that's why for the growth of our body, we need food. Then to get energy also. We do so many works in a day. From morning when we wake up from the bed till we go to bed at night, we do so many activities, so many works in a day. For doing that work, we need energy to do that work. So from where do we get that energy? We get energy from food. Then if you want to become strong, you will tell, I want to become like a man, the being, I want to become like a Superman or Spider-Man, you will tell, no? So if you want to become strong like that person, you need food. We have to eat healthy food. Okay. If you want to become strong and healthy, we need food. So then which food items helps you to growth of in your growth of our body, or else in a growth to get energy to become strong and healthy? Let's know. Okay. The food that helps in the growth of our body are called body building food. So the food which helps in the growth of our body, that food is called body building food. Body building food. Body building food. Then the food that gives us energy. The food that gives us energy is called energy giving food. It's called energy giving food. Energy giving food. Then the food which help us to become strong and healthy. So or the food which protects us from diseases are called protective food. Protective food. So this protective food help us to or protect you from diseases. Okay, children. So every day we need to eat this type of food. So the food which help us in bodybuilding, the food which gives us energy, and food which protects us from diseases. Such type of food we should eat every day. So let's know which food items gives energy to us, and then which food items help us in the growth of our body. Everything I will tell you. Understood, children? So the food items which help us in the growth of our body. So if you want to grow, which type of food items you need to eat? Milk, egg. So if you want to grow, you should drink milk, egg, dal, fish, cheese, okay, almonds, etc. So every day we should eat healthy food, children. So isn't it? So healthy food. So the food items which help us in the growth of your body. If you want to grow day by day, every day, you should eat or you should drink first milk every day. So every day 2 glasses of milk you should eat, children. Sorry, drink, children, because milk makes your bones strong. Okay. So milk make your bones and teeth strong, because milk consists of calcium. In milk you will get the calcium. So at the class of daily now food na ahara ಸೇವಿಸ್ತೀವಿ. So dinike we eat 3 meals in a day alva. So daily 3 time ನಾವು ಊಟ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ. ಸೊ ಊಟ ಮಾಡಿ ಯಾವ ರೀತಿ ಊಟ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು, ನಾವು ಯಾವ ಥರ ಊಟನ ಆಹಾರ ಸೇವಿಸಬೇಕು ಅಂದರೆ ವಿ ಶುಡ್ ಈಟ್ ಫುಡ್ ವಿಚ್ ಹೆಲ್ಪ್ ಅಸ್ ಇನ್ ದ ಗ್ರೋತ್. ನಮ್ಮ ಬಾಡಿ ಬೆಳವಣಿಗೆ ಆಗೋಕ್ಕೆ ಯಾವ ರೀತಿ ಫುಡ್ ಬೇಕು, ಯಾವುದು ಅವಶ್ಯಕತೆ ಇದೆ ಅಂಥ ಫುಡ್ ತಿನ್ನಬೇಕು. ಜೊತೆಗೆ ನಮಗೆ ಎನರ್ಜಿ ಶಕ್ತಿ ಕೊಡುವಂಥ ಫುಡ್ನ ತಿನ್ನಬೇಕು. ಜೊತೆಗೆ ನಮ್ಮನ್ನು ಹೆಲ್ತ್ ಸ್ಟ್ರಾಂಗ್ ಆಗಿ ಆರೋಗ್ಯವಾಗಿರುವಂಥ ಆಹಾರ ಪದಾರ್ಥಗಳನ್ನೇ ನಾವು ಡೈಲಿ ತಿನ್ನಬೇಕು. ಸೊ ಹಾಗಾಗಿ ನಮ್ಮ ಬಾಡಿ ಬೆಳಿಬೇಕು, ಡೈಲಿ ನಾವು ಗ್ರೋತ್ ಆಗಬೇಕು, ಎವ್ರಿಡೇ ನಮ್ಮ ಬಾಡಿ ಬೆಳೀತಾ ಹೋಗಬೇಕು, ಗ್ರೋ ಆಗಬೇಕು ಅಂದರೆ ನಾವು ಮಿಲ್ಕ್ನ ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿ ಕುಡಿಬೇಕು. ಅಟ್ಲೀಸ್ಟ್ 2 glasses ಆಫ್ ಮಿಲ್ಕ್ ಯು ಶುಡ್ ಡ್ರಿಂಕ್ ಎವ್ರಿ ಡೇ. ಸೊ ನಿಮ್ಮ ಬೋನ್ಸ್ ಅಂದರೆ ಮೂಳೆಗಳು ಗಟ್ಟಿ ಆಗಬೇಕು, ಸ್ಟ್ರಾಂಗ್ ಆಗಬೇಕು. ಜೊತೆಗೆ ಯುವರ್ ಟೀತ್, ನಿಮ್ಮ ಹಲ್ಲು ಸ್ಟ್ರಾಂಗ್ ಆಗಿರಬೇಕು ಅಂದರೆ ನೀವು ಹಾಲು ಕುಡಿಬೇಕು. ಬಿಕಾಸ್ ಇನ್ನು ಮಿಲ್ಕಲ್ಲಿ ಕ್ಯಾಲ್ಶಿಯಮ್ ಅನ್ನೋ ನ್ಯೂಟ್ರಿಯೆಂಟ್ಸ್ ಸಿಗುತ್ತೆ. ಸೊ ಕ್ಯಾಲ್ಶಿಯಮು ನಿಮಗೆ ನ್ಯೂಟ್ರಿಯೆಂಟ್ಸ್ ಮಿಲ್ಕಲ್ಲಿ ಸಿಗುತ್ತೆ. ಸೊ ಮಿಲ್ಕ್ ನೀವು ಹೆಚ್ಚು ಕುಡಿದ್ರೆ ನಿಮ್ಮ ಬೋನ್ಸ್ ಎಲ್ಲ ತುಂಬ ಸ್ಟ್ರಾಂಗ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ, ಜೊತೆಗೆ ನಿಮ್ಮ ಟೀತು ಸಹ ಸ್ಟ್ರಾಂಗ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಓಕೆ ಚಿಲ್ಡ್ರನ್. ಸೊ ದೆನ್ ದಾಲ್ ಅಂದರೆ ಬೇಳೆ ಪದಾರ್ಥಗಳು. ಸೊ ತೊಗರಿಬೇಳೆ, ಕಡಲೆಬೇಳೆ, ಬೇರೆ ಬೇರೆ ಐಟಮ್ಸ್ ಇರ್ತಲ್ಲ, ಸೊ ಆ ಬೇಳೆ ಐಟಮ್ಸ್ನ ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ಜೊತೆಗೆ ಚೀಸು, ಎಗ್ಗು, ಫಿಶ್ಶು, ಸೊ ಇದನ್ನೆಲ್ಲ ನೀವು ಡೈಲಿ ಸೇವಿಸಿದ್ರೆ ಯುವರ್ ಬಾಡಿ ವಿಲ್ ಗೆಟ್ ಗ್ರೋತ್. ಓಕೆ, ನಿಮ್ಮ ಬಾಡಿ ತುಂಬ ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿ ಗ್ರೋತ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಸೊ ಡೈಲಿ ಮಿಲ್ಕ್ ಕುಡಿಬೇಕು. ದೆನ್ ಯು ಶುಡ್ ಈಟ್, ಯು ಆರ್ ಅ ವೆಜಿಟೇರಿಯನ್, ಯು ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಈಟ್ ಎಗ್ ಎವ್ರಿ ಡೇ. ಸೊ ಬಾಯ್ಲ್ಡ್ ಎಗ್ ಯು ಶುಡ್ ಈಟ್. ಸೊ ನೀವು ವೆಜಿಟೇರಿಯನ್ ಸಸ್ಯಾಹಾರಿಗಳಾಗಿದ್ದರೆ ಸೊ ಎಗ್ನ ತಿನ್ನೋರಿದ್ರೆ ಡೈಲಿ ಎಗ್ ತಿನ್ನಬೇಕು, ಡೈಲಿ 2 glasses ಹಾಲು ಕುಡಿಬೇಕು, ಬೇಳೆ ಪದಾರ್ಥಗಳನ್ನ ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ದೆನ್ ಚೀಸ್, ಆಲ್ಮಂಡ್, ಬಾದಾಮಿ ತಿನ್ನಬೇಕು. ಇದನ್ನೆಲ್ಲ ನೀವು ಡೈಲಿ ಸೇವಿಸ್ತಾ ಬಂದರೆ ಯುವರ್ ಬಾಡಿ ವಿಲ್ ಗ್ರೋತ್. ಸೊ ನಿಮ್ಮ ಬಾಡಿ ತುಂಬ ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿ ಗ್ರೋತ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ, ಬೆಳವಣಿಗೆ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಓಕೆ, ಸೊ ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ದ ಫುಡ್ ವಿಚ್ ಗಿವ್ಸ್, ಸೊ ಇದು ಗ್ರೋತ್ ಆಫ್ ನಮ್ಮ ಬಾಡಿ ಬೆಳವಣಿಗೆಗೆ ಯಾವ ಫುಡ್ ಹೆಲ್ಪ್ ಮಾಡುತ್ತೆ ಅಂತ ಫುಡ್ನ ನಾವು ಬಾಡಿ ಬಿಲ್ಡಿಂಗ್ ಫುಡ್ ಅಂತ ಕರಿತೀವಿ. ಸೊ ಬಾಡಿ ಬಿಲ್ಡಿಂಗ್, ನಮ್ಮ ಬಾಡಿನ ಬಿಲ್ಡ್ ಮಾಡೋ ಫುಡ್ ಐಟಮ್ಸ್ ಯಾವುದಂದ್ರೆ ಮಿಲ್ಕ್, ಎಗ್, ದಾಲ್, ಚೀಸ್, ಆಲ್ಮಂಡ್, ಎಕ್ಸೆಟ್ರಾ ಎಕ್ಸೆಟ್ರಾ. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ the second, we need food or we need food to get energy to do work. ಸೊ ನಾವು ಏನಾದರೂ ಕೆಲಸಗಳನ್ನ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು ಅಂದರೆ ನಮಗೆ ಏನು ಬೇಕು, ಶಕ್ತಿ ಬೇಕು, ಎನರ್ಜಿ ಬೇಕು. ಆ ಎನರ್ಜಿ ಎಲ್ಲಿಂದ ಸಿಗುತ್ತೆ, ಆಹಾರ ಫುಡ್ಡಿಂದ ಸಿಗುತ್ತೆ. ಸೊ ಹಾಗಾದರೆ ನಮಗೆ ಕೆಲಸ ಮಾಡೋಕ್ಕೆ ಎನರ್ಜಿ ಬೇಕಲ್ಲ, ಆ ಎನರ್ಜಿ ಕೊಡೋ ಫುಡ್ ಐಟಮ್ಸ್ ಯಾವುದು? ಸೊ ಎನರ್ಜಿ ಕೊಡೋಂಥ ಫುಡ್ನ ನಾವು ಎನರ್ಜಿ ಗಿವಿಂಗ್ ಫುಡ್ ಅಂತ ಕರಿತೀವಿ. ಸೊ ನಮ್ಮ ಬಾಡಿಗೆ ಶಕ್ತಿ ಕೊಡುವಂಥ ಫುಡ್ನ ನಾವು ಎನರ್ಜಿ ಗಿವಿಂಗ್ ಫುಡ್ ವಿ ಕಾಲಿಂಗ್ ದಿಸ್. ಓಕೆ, ಸೊ ವಿಚ್ ಫುಡ್ ಐಟಮ್ಸ್ ಆರ್ ಕಾಲ್ಡ್ ಆಸ್ ಅನ್ ಎನರ್ಜಿ ಗಿವಿಂಗ್ ಫುಡ್. ಹಾಗಾದರೆ ಎನರ್ಜಿ ಕೊಡುವ, ಶಕ್ತಿ ಕೊಡುವಂಥ ಆಹಾರ ಪದಾರ್ಥಗಳು ಯಾವುದು? ಲೆಟ್ಸ್ ನೋ. ಓಕೆ, rice. So rice, okay, rice, wheat, bread, butter. Rice, wheat, butter, rice, wheat, bread, butter, potatoes, etc. So food grains, what are the food grains we have get? Rice, ragi, wheat, other food grains we get, no? So that type of food we should use, we want to get energy. So ನಮಗೆ ಶಕ್ತಿ ಬೇಕು ಅಂದರೆ ನಮಗೆ ಅಕ್ಕಿ, ಸೊ ಅನ್ನ, ಮುದ್ದೆ, ರಾಗಿ ಬಾಲ್ಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ, ಮುದ್ದೆ. ದೆನ್ ಚಪಾತಿ, ವೀಟ್. ಸೊ ಚಪಾತಿ ಮಾಡೋದಾದರೆ ವೀಟ್. ಸೊ ಇದನ್ನು ಜೊತೆಗೆ ಬಟರ್, ಬೆಣ್ಣೆ, ತುಪ್ಪ, ವೆಜಿಟೇಬಲ್ಸ್, ಫ್ರೂಟ್ಸು, ಜೊತೆಗೆ ಫುಡ್ ಗ್ರೇನ್ಸ್ಗಳು, ಏನೇನು ಆಹಾರ ಪದಾರ್ಥಗಳು ಅದನ್ನೆಲ್ಲ ತಿನ್ನಬೇಕು. ಕಾಳುಗಳು, ಪಲ್ಸಸ್ಗಳು, ಸೊ ಪಲ್ಸಸ್, ಸೀರಿಯಲ್ಸ್, ಕಾಳುಗಳು, ಬೇಳೆ ಕಾಳುಗಳು, ಇದನ್ನೆಲ್ಲ ನೀವು ಡೈಲಿ ಸೇವಿಸ್ತಾ ಬಂದರೆ ನಿಮಗೆ ಯು ವಿಲ್ ಗೆಟ್ ಎನರ್ಜಿ. ಓಕೆ, ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್, ಇಫ್ ಯು ವಾಂಟ್ ಟು ಬಿಕಮ್ ಸ್ಟ್ರಾಂಗ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಹೆಲ್ತಿ, ನೀವು ಸ್ಟ್ರಾಂಗ್ ಆಗಿ ಆರೋಗ್ಯವಾಗಿ, ಹೆಲ್ತಿ ಅಂದರೆ ಆರೋಗ್ಯ, ಯಾವುದೇ ಕಾಯಿಲೆ ಬರಬಾರ್ದು, ನಿಮಗೆ ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿ ಆರೋಗ್ಯವಾಗಿರಬೇಕು ಅಂದರೆ ನೀವು ಯಾವ ರೀತಿ ಫುಡ್ ತಿನ್ನಬೇಕು ಅಂದರೆ ಫ್ರೆಶ್ ಫ್ರೂಟ್ಸ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ವೆಜಿಟೇಬಲ್ಸ್. ಸೊ ಯು ಶುಡ್ ಈಟ್ ಫ್ರೂಟ್ಸ್, ಫ್ರೆಶ್ ಫ್ರೂಟ್ಸ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ವೆಜಿಟೇಬಲ್ಸ್. ಸೊ ತಾಜಾ ಫ್ರೆಶ್ ಆಗಿರುವಂಥ ಫ್ರೂಟ್ಸು, ವೆಜಿಟೇಬಲ್ಸ್ ಎವ್ರಿ ಡೇ ಯು ಶುಡ್ ಯೂಸ್. ಸೊ ಐ ನೋ ಸೋ ಮೆನಿ ಚಿಲ್ಡ್ರನ್ಸ್ ವರ್ ನಾಟ್ ಈಟಿಂಗ್ ವೆಜಿಟೇಬಲ್ಸ್. ಸೊ ಅವಾಗ ತುಂಬ ಮಕ್ಕಳು ವೆಜಿಟೇಬಲ್ಸ್ಗಳನ್ನ ತಿನ್ನೋದಿಲ್ಲ, ಸೊಪ್ಪನ್ನ ತಿನ್ನೋದಿಲ್ಲ. ಸೊ ನೋ ಚಿಲ್ಡ್ರನ್, ಇಫ್ ಯು ವಾಂಟ್ ಟು ಬಿಕಮ್ ಸ್ಟ್ರಾಂಗ್, ಇಫ್ ಯು ವಾಂಟ್ ಟು ಬಿಕಮ್ ಹೆಲ್ತಿ, ಯು ಶುಡ್ ಈಟ್ ಫ್ರೂಟ್ಸ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ವೆಜಿಟೇಬಲ್ಸ್ ಎವ್ರಿ ಡೇ. ಪ್ರತಿದಿನ ನೀವು ಫ್ರೂಟ್ಸ್, ವೆಜಿಟೇಬಲ್ಸ್ನ ತಿನ್ನಲೇಬೇಕು. ಸೊ ಯು ಶುಡ್ ನಾಟ್ ಸೇ ದಟ್ ಐ ಡೋಂಟ್ like particularly this veg or I don't like beans, I don't like radish. You should not say like that, because in each and every vegetables you will get some nutrients. So ಪ್ರತಿಯೊಂದು ತರಕಾರಿಯಲ್ಲೂ ನಮಗೆ ಒಂದೊಂದು ನ್ಯೂಟ್ರಿಯೆಂಟ್ಸ್, ಪೌಷ್ಟಿಕಾಂಶ ಇರುತ್ತೆ ಮಕ್ಕಳು. ಸೊ ದಯವಿಟ್ಟು ಯಾವುದೇ ಕಾರಣಕ್ಕೂ ಯಾವ ವೆಜಿಟೇಬಲ್ಸು ಬೇಡ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ಬಿಡಿ, ಎಲ್ಲ ವೆಜಿಟೇಬಲ್ಸ್ ಫಾರ್ ಎಕ್ಸಾಂಪಲ್ if you eat carrot, ಸೊ ಕ್ಯಾರೆಟ್ನಿಂದ ಕಣ್ಣಿಗೆ ನಿಮ್ಮ ಐಸೈಟ್ ತುಂಬ ಶಾರ್ಪ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಬೀಟ್ರೂಟ್ ಪ್ರತಿಯೊಂದು ವೆಜಿಟೇಬಲ್ಸ್ ಒಂದೊಂದು ಪೌಷ್ಟಿಕಾಂಶ ಇರುತ್ತೆ, ನ್ಯೂಟ್ರಿಯೆಂಟ್ಸ್ ಇರುತ್ತೆ. ಸೊ ದಟ್ಸ್ ವೈ ಯು ಶುಡ್ ಈಟ್, ಯು ಮಸ್ಟ್ ಈಟ್ all type of vegetables. Okay children, so till here I will stop it today. Okay, so ಇಲ್ಲಿಗೆ ನಾನು ಇವತ್ತು ನಿಲ್ಲಿಸ್ತೀನಿ. In the next class, so in the next class I am going to do a textbook activities. Textbook ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಏನೇನು activities ಇದೆ, then other than human beings who need the food, so ಬರೀ ಮನುಷ್ಯರಿಗೆ ಮಾತ್ರ ಅಥವಾ ಬೇರೆ ಯಾರಿಗೆ ಆಹಾರ ಬೇಕು, ಹೇಗೆ ಯಾವ ರೀತಿ ಫುಡ್ನ ತಿನ್ನಬೇಕು, ಯಾವ ಟೈಮಿಗೆ ತಿನ್ನಬೇಕು, ಅದರ್ ದೆನ್ ಯಾವ್ಯಾವ ಫುಡ್ಸ್ ಇರುತ್ತೆ ಹೆಲ್ತಿ ಫುಡ್. ಸೊ ಇದನ್ನು ಬಿಟ್ಟು ಬೇರೆ ಯಾವುದೇ ಹೆಲ್ತಿ ಫುಡ್ ಇದೆ, ಎವ್ರಿಥಿಂಗ್ ಐ ವಿಲ್ ಟೆಲ್ ಯು ಇನ್ ದ ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಕ್ಲಾಸ್. ಸೊ ಇನ್ ಟುಡೇಸ್ ಕ್ಲಾಸ್ ಐ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪ್ಲೈನ್ ವೈ ವಿ ನೀಡ್ ಫುಡ್, ಇಸ್ಂಟ್ ಇಟ್? ನಮಗೆ ಯಾಕೆ ಆಹಾರ ಬೇಕು? ಸೊ ಯಾಕೆ ಬೇಕು? ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಒನ್ ಟು ಲೀವ್. ಸೊ ನಾವು ಯಾಕೆ ಆಹಾರ ಸೇವಿಸಿದ್ರೆ ಜೀವಿಸಬಹುದು, ಬದುಕೋಕ್ಕೋಸ್ಕರ ಆಹಾರ ಬೇಕು. ಓನ್ಲಿ ಫಾರ್ ಲಿವಿಂಗ್, ಬರೀ ಬದುಕೋಕ? ನೋ. ದೆನ್ ವೈ ವಿ ನೀಡ್ ಫುಡ್ ಟು ದ ಗ್ರೋತ್ ಆಫ್ ಅವರ್ ಬಾಡಿ, ನಮ್ಮ ದೇಹದ ಬೆಳವಣಿಗೆಗೋಸ್ಕರ ನಮಗೆ ಆಹಾರ ಬೇಕು. ದೆನ್ ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್ ಟು ಗೆಟ್ ಎನರ್ಜಿ ಟು ಡು ವರ್ಕ್. ಸೊ ನಮಗೆ ಕೆಲಸ ಮಾಡೋದಕ್ಕೆ ನಾವು ಎವ್ರಿಡೇ ವಿ ವಿಲ್ ಡು ವರ್ಕ್, ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ದಿನ ನಾವು ಕೆಲಸ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ. ಸೊ ಆ ಕೆಲಸ ಮಾಡೋಕ್ಕೆ ನಮ್ಗೆ ಏನು ಬೇಕು? ಶಕ್ತಿ ಬೇಕು. ಶಕ್ತಿ ಬೇಕು ಅಂದರೆ ನಮಗೆ ಏನು ಮಾಡಬೇಕು? ನಾವು ಆಹಾರ ತಿನ್ನಬೇಕು. ಸೊ ದಟ್ಸ್ ವೈ ವಿ ನೀಡ್ ಫುಡ್ ಟು ಗೆಟ್ ಎನರ್ಜಿ ಟು ವರ್ಕ್. ದೆನ್ ಟು ಬಿಕಮ್ ಸ್ಟ್ರಾಂಗ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಹೆಲ್ತಿ, ನಾವು ಆರೋಗ್ಯವಾಗಿ ಗಟ್ಟಿಯಾಗಿ ಸ್ಟ್ರಾಂಗ್ ಆಗಿರಬೇಕು ಅಂದರೆ ನಮಗೆ ಫುಡ್ ಬೇಕು. ಫಾರ್ ದಿಸ್ ಪರ್ಪಸ್ ವಿ ನೀಡ್ ಫುಡ್ ಅಲ್ವಾ? ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್, which are the food items which helps in the growth of our body, which gives us energy, then which protect us from diseases. ಸೊ ನಮಗೆ ಬಾಡಿ ಬೆಳವಣಿಗೆ ಆಗಬೇಕು, ನಮ್ಮ ದೇಹ ಬೆಳವಣಿಗೆ ಆಗಬೇಕು, ನಾವು ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿ ಬೆಳಿಬೇಕಂದ್ರೆ ಯಾವ್ಯಾವ ರೀತಿ ಆಹಾರ ತಿನ್ನಬೇಕು, ಯಾವ್ಯಾವ ಐಟಮ್ಸ್ ತಿನ್ನಬೇಕು, ಜೊತೆಗೆ ನಮಗೆ ಎನರ್ಜಿ ಕೊಡೋಂಥ ಫುಡ್ ಯಾವ್ಯಾವುದು, ದೆನ್ ಹೆಲ್ತಿಯಾಗಿರೋ ಫುಡ್ ಐಟಮ್ಸ್ ಯಾವ್ಯಾವುದು ಅಂತ ತಿಳ್ಕೊಳ್ತೀವಿ. ಸೊ ಟಿಲ್ ಹಿಯರ್ ಐ ವಿಲ್ ಸ್ಟಾಪ್. ಸೊ ಇನ್ ದ ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಕ್ಲಾಸ್ ಐ ವಿಲ್ ಕಂಟಿನ್ಯೂ ದಿಸ್ ದ ಸೇಮ್. ಓಕೆ, ಸೊ ಟಿಲ್ ದೆನ್ what you have to do, you have to open your textbook. So go through once your textbook, children. So see you in the next class. Till then, take care. Bye bye. Be careful. Stay healthy.